So now we will see how to update the specific value with the new value that we will set within the table. So this is the syntax of the updating the new value. Update is the built-in keyword, table name like employees data, the table we are going to make changes. Set is the built-in keyword. Set means the column name that we have to input here, which column we are going to make changes, and here the new value, the column name, and here we will set its new value. Similarly for other columns as well. And the where condition, let's dive into it. We have to set the condition where, like employee id is equal to 105, or first name is equal to Sarah, right? We have to give here where condition, as this is must. Without it our update query will not execute it. So let's see in the action. Update is the keyword, employees data, I'm going to make changes in the employees data. Set, I will put here the column name is equal to 90,000. I'm going here, I have set the new value in the salary column, where I'm now here I'm going to give condition where employee id is equal to 105. Here you can see 105 employee id, it's against the salary is 68,000. Now let's execute this query and then select. Now here you can see on the employee ID 105, our new value has been updated successfully, 90,000 that we have just updated here. So this is how we can update our specific value in the table. Next, we will see how to delete the specific row from the table.